मैंने ये पूछा था अध्यक्ष जी कि जो रिजर्वेशन वाले लोग थे, आरक्षित जिब्बे थे, उनकी तो सूची थी आरक्षण की। नहीं, बताया नहीं उन्होंने, वो कह करके रह गए, खाली जर्नल बोगी कह के रह गए।
Okay. Probably you will get the reply from the Prime Minister himself.
थैंक यू वेरी मच सर।
Mr. Sharad Yadav ji wants to ask something, it seems.
अध्यक्ष जी, यहाँ से 3 घंटे का रास्ता है और इस सदन में सुबह से लेकर शाम तक लोगों ने कई तरह की शंका और आशंका और वहाँ जो इंतजाम है उस पर कई तरह के सवाल भी खड़े किए। बेहतर ये हो कि इस सदन से कुछ सदस्यों की एक टीम बन करके इस सारे इंतजाम को देखने का काम जाए तो उससे सक्षमता भी बढ़ेगी और इंतजाम जो है वो भी बढ़िया होगा और इस देश के लोगों के भीतर हमारी तरफ से, पार्लियामेंट की तरफ से एक बेहतर और एक बढ़िया मैसेज भी जाएगा। मैं यही विनती करना चाहता हूँ।
सर ये ठीक है।
सर, right now 4 ministers of the government of India are camping there. They have gone to the site, they have gone to the hospitals, they are still there, and we are in almost continuous touch with them. Whatever has been raised in the House, whatever information has been asked for, we have asked for it, and this kind of continuous monitoring is going on. So it's an evolving situation. It's very difficult to say at what point of time what is happening and what is not happening. So far as I am concerned, sir, wherever and whenever accidents have taken place, whether this or any other accident, I have avoided rushing there immediately, deliberately, because my going there, as I have seen on 1 or 2 occasions, will only come in the way of the relief work immediately undertaken by those people there. My visit somehow comes in the way of efficient handling of the situation on the spot. This is human nature, sir. Everybody would like to see, if the Prime Minister comes there, he would like to attend to me rather than those who are suffering there. That is why I have avoided. I did not even lose a few minutes. The moment I came to know, I asked Mr. Mallikarjun, who has got some background of the railways, who has worked in the railways, and he has done some good work. This is also known. So I said, you know the ropes, please go, find out, take the railway board people with you and report to me. So I am getting the reports. Regarding safety, now I myself, I have not handled railways, so I do not know the intricacies of the railway, working of the railways, except as a passenger. As everyone knows, I also know. But apart from that, I have not handled it. So I am also having to learn a few things. I had 2-3 meetings already with the railway board. I have asked questions which perhaps I did not know to which I did not know the answers. One is the question just raised about the identification and about how a person who is dead, how the compensation is to be paid. Now we know this. I have had some experience of old, very big accidents when I was in the state of Andhra Pradesh. People may remember that there was a very bad accident in 1953 where more than 600 bodies were recovered from a river on which the bridge collapsed because of heavy rains. Now, since then, I know that the claims and the settlement of claims takes a very long time. Sometimes it takes 2 years, 3 years, and it is a heartbreaking kind of experience. People came to me, we were MLAs, we were in the party, and we had to go to the claim commissioner, whatever he was called in Secunderabad. So we have this experience for a fairly long time. I understand, and this morning the chairman of the railway board told me that that is now a thing of the past. They have had now tribunals, claims tribunals, 19 of them are working all over the country, and whenever a claim is made, normally the time taken now is about 6 months. This is what I have been. Now, only 6 months. Earlier it was 2.5 years, 3 years. This is the point, sir. Nobody wants any delay. Nobody wants an accident. Nobody wants any human life to be lost. If statistics are given, suddenly members get angry. If statistics are not given, wild kind of numbers are quoted here. The number of 1,500 was quoted in this house, sir. What do you want me to say? I gave you the number as I had it at that time. It was 251. Now at this time it has risen to 260. Now but if a member says with great authenticity that it is 1,500, then where do we end? Is it a great virtue to say that more people have died? Who wants anyone to die? Does the government want anyone to die? An accident is an accident. You have to take it as an accident. Prima facie, it is said that it could be or it may be a human error. It may not be, it could be mechanical, it could be something else. That will come only after the inquiry. I am also not ruling out a judicial inquiry if that becomes possible. We have had judicial inquiries in such cases in the past, sir. So I am not ruling that out. But there is an officer, a very highly placed official, who has all the expertise at his command, who goes into these things, and if while the inquiry is on, if it is found that a judicial inquiry is necessary, there are certain responsibilities, legal responsibilities to be fixed, etc., then we will have judicial inquiry. We have no objection for that. This is what I would like to tell the honorable member, sir. Something about the railway recommendations of the safety committee were mentioned. It's very difficult when facts are ignored to this extent. Honorable members have pointed out that measures to increase safety of train operations have not been taken. Recommendations of the safety committee have not been implemented. I would like to point out that the Rail Accident Inquiry Committee of 1978 contained 450 recommendations for implementation. Out of these, the railways have already implemented 449. The remaining recommendation, the single solitary recommendation, relates to research and development. Now there is nothing like finality in that. It is an ongoing program, which is a continuing activity. The Kunzuru Committee in 1961 recommended track circuiting. This work, as Mr. Mallikarjun has just told the House, is progressing each year, and subject to availability of funds, the work is being done. This is the position, sir. So, in the matter of safety, if it is said, if it is charged, if it is accused that it is being ignored altogether, I would like to differ. But if it is said that much more is needed, I agree, sir. Much more is needed. For instance, this very morning, when I was talking to the railway board, I was told that it is easier to find out the reserved persons. On the unreserved side, it is very difficult to identify who came from where, we do not know. Now, this may be a real difficulty 10 years back or 5 years back, but I do not think it should be a difficulty now when computerization and other facilities are available. At least an attempt should be made to see that as far as possible, even in the unreserved quota, unreserved section, any traveler, any passenger coming into an express train at least, his name is noted down. It should not be difficult. His address is noted down. Always. This is what I am saying, sir. I am trying to request them. I have instructed them to see if this can be immediately taken.
प्रधानमंत्री जी वो कंप्यूटर वाले गांव में नहीं बिकते, फर्रुखाबाद में नहीं बिकता, जहाँ से कालिंदी एक्सप्रेस चलती है
हाथ से तो लिखने वाले मिलते हैं।
नहीं मिलते हैं जी, वो छापने वाले मिलते हैं।
हाँ,
ठप्पा मार
हाथ
के
से लिखने वाले तो
नहीं मिलते प्रधानमंत्री जी।
in all stations,
गलत आपको बताया आपके अधिकारियों ने।
reservation system is not there.
अध्यक्ष जी,
बात नहीं करना है, पहले हुआ नहीं होता। देखिए आप
तो लोगों को करना होता है।
आप समझ के प्लीज, वो कह रहे हैं कि ऐसी चीज करने के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शन दिए जा सकते हैं।
नहीं दिए जा सकते, मैं तो ये पूछ रहा था
आप
जो
अभी
आप
क्या होगा
उनका
सर?
क्या होगा?
अभी क्या होगा? अभी तो होगा
What
इसका।
can I do? So he has given up already in advance that it cannot be done. I don't want to give it up, that's the only difference. What can I do, sir? It is a tragedy. Nobody denies this. Nobody denies that much more needs to be done. Nobody denies that much more needs to be done in many respects in the working of the railways. And I have also pleaded my own very limited knowledge, in fact bordering on ignorance about the railways. We will take up these matters as raised by the members one by one, and we will see if at the Prime Minister level there is any policy decision to be taken, money decision to be taken, some other decision to be taken. We will certainly do that, sir. One point which has been troubling me is not about 1.5 hours as Atalji said. If it had been 1.5 hours, that would be erring on one side. Now, I am told that the time lag between the two trains, two express trains, was 9 minutes on the occasion of this accident. This is what worries me. Is it possible that in drawing up the timetable, for the sake of passenger trains or express trains, coming in the morning, reaching Delhi in the morning, the gap between the trains was deliberately made shorter? Is it possible during the daytime it was longer? Is it possible that this density of running of the trains needs to be looked into once again? At least on very, very busy tracks like this. I mean, these are the matters into which we have to go. They suggest themselves very easily when one goes into the facts of this case, but there may be many more which will come out after the inquiry. The measures already taken about track, the welding and all those things have been already related by Mr. Mallikarjun sir. I have seen we have all seen in Europe, for instance, the rail is not welded at all. It's for miles and miles, it is only one piece. Now, that kind of rails we do not have here. So that is necessary. So whatever consequent steps are to be taken, they are being taken while fast trains are being introduced. It is not correct to say that corresponding safety measures and corresponding improvements in the track, etc., are not at all being made. Maybe more are needed. No. I can give you all the details. All the details, please. All the details I can give you. Other safety measures adopted over the year related to track maintenance on important routes, yes, I do not know. That's why I am only giving you what I have received. I have no doubt about that. I stick to that because that is a fact. I have not run the railway ministry, but I can only give you the information which I have. I can only give you the information that I have. And this can be verified.
Mr. Prime Minister,
This can be
taking a
verified.
stance
Sir,
that it is not true
I
that
do not
nothing
know
has
what
been
to do
done.
now.
The point is,
I am
that
giving you-
everything that should have been done has been done.
I am giving the House certain facts given to me. If any of these facts is found wrong, some heads are going to roll. That's all. There is no question of satisfaction. Nobody is satisfied. Nobody is satisfied with his own life and his own performance. I don't know if there is any person so complacent as to say that he is perfect.
Speaker sir, one point Prime Minister should
Cannot be done like this.
deliberate delay of Purushottam Express at Kanpur station.
Only Prime Minister's statement will go on.
No sir, it's not statement. The Kanpur station, why the Purushottam Express was delayed? That is the point, sir.
Sir,
Why 1 hour
if any more, Sir, if any more information is
One
wanted.
central cabinet minister was moving in different train. That's why the train was delayed
I have
at
said
Kanpur
that
railway
only
station.
Prime Minister's
Sir,
speeches
this
will
question
follow.
was raised and the Prime Minister is not replying to that question. And that is why the accident took place. That is the basic reason, sir. Let the Prime Minister clarify this position. Whether a central cabinet minister was moving in a train which was given fast to move his train fast, and the Purushottam Express was
don't know,
delayed
sir, whether
1 hour at Kanpur railway station.
That's a fact which has to be
Absolutely.
inquired into.
That is
and
the
found out.
sir. The gap between Kalandi Express and Purushottam Express is not 9 minutes, sir.
Now,
The 9 minutes gap was not there. The gap was there, but the gap was taken away by one minister itself, the VIP movement.
Minister,
Yes, that is the fact. Why the government is not clarifying that position?
now,
Why this fact is being suppressed, sir?
now this is,
Why Purushottam Express, sir, was delayed
has-
1 hour at Kanpur railway station?
let
What was the reason?
it,
What was the reason, sir?
let it be found out.
Okay, sir.
Yep, let it be.
Okay, that is the point.
Now, please,
Okay, sir.
now if the accident is outside, let us not have an accident at discussing like that. Now, every moment you should not crop up and then ask the question.
I have not participated. I am asking only simple question,
can't-
whether the delay was
You
there
should
or not,
understand
and
that
why
this-
the delay?
This is not the method of asking the question.
I have a categorical answer here to help the House and the honorable member. It is not correct that Purushottam Express was held up for anyone, any minister, anywhere.
What is
To be held up, there can be 100 reasons. Oh my God. What ignorance.
I think accidents will take place if we don't understand things quickly.
So that this is the position. We would like, if necessary, to give facts again, the latest facts tomorrow if necessary, sir. If I have your permission, I will ask Mr. Mallikarjun to find out what is happening from day to day and report to the House, because this is something in which we are all equally concerned. So this is all I could say, sir. All the other facts have come. If there is anything more to be collected by way of information and given to the House, we are prepared to do it.